Good afternoon, everyone. In today's session, you are going to learn how to set up the work centers. So here is the agenda for today's session. The objective enables you to understand the work center and its associated terms in the context of business processes. The prerequisites for generating the work center in Onfinity ERP require a configured tenant in your environment. Organizations must be configured in your tenant and warehouse, with locators should already be defined in the system. Now let's understand what a work center is. A work center is a specific physical location, group of machines, or team of personnel within a manufacturing or production facility where particular operations or tasks are performed as part of the production process. Work centers are used to plan, schedule, and track production activities, capacity, and resource utilization. For example, a work center can be a main assembly line, a frame fabrication station, an engine assembly line, quality inspection, or a CNC machine. Let's move on to the system and create a work center. If you want to configure the work centers, you can search the manufacturing setup or directly move to manufacturing management. Under manufacturing setup, you will find the manufacturing setup window. Click on Work Center and then click on New Record. Select the relevant organization, enter the name, and select the warehouse. For example, let's select the warehouse SV Manufacturing. The locator here is Frame Fabrication, so the name will be given as Frame Fabrication Station. If you want to link the cost center, you can do so. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. Save the record, and then move on to Connected Resources. Connect the resource utilized here. For example, a technician is required, so link the technician and save. In a similar manner, you can create multiple work centers. For example, in SV Manufacturing, the next one can be Engine Assembly Station. Save it, and again connect the required resource, which is technician in this case. This way, you can create any number of work centers and connect the required resources accordingly in the Onfinity ERP system. That is all in this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.